Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I shall be discussing about the importance of management for the society. In this respect, I would like to highlight certain points. The first point is management enables to provide right goods and services to the society. So in this point it implies that management utilizes the efforts of individuals. Management utilizes different resources optimally in order to get the desired result and objectives and provide goods and services which will satisfy the needs and wants of the people in the society. In this way people will get the right thing at the right time as and when desired, and there will be no scarcity of products among the people, and the satisfaction of the needs, the satisfaction of the wants of customers can be maintained by management. Point number 2 is generation of employment. Management works towards the survival and growth of the organization. Continuously, it is focused on expansion and diversification activities. It utilizes manpower and other resources so that the business can survive, so that the organization can survive and grow. In this process, it helps in generating employment for the huge population of any country or any particular region. And when people get employment, parallelly many social vices get eradicated and people have purchasing power in their hands, and this helps them in having a better life and also creating the demand for other goods in the economy. So generation of employment is another important measure that is undertaken by management. The third point is promotes social change. Management is a very significant medium for promoting social change, for bringing new changes in the society. Like for instance, the growth of management in the post liberalization period in India has promoted the entrepreneurial culture in our country, has also given a dynamic shift in the psychological attitude of people, that people can also work with private sector jobs other than government jobs. So management brings certain new changes in the society. Even during this COVID-19 crisis also, people who were not very comfortable in the digital platform, people who are not very comfortable with digital marketing, digital entrepreneurship, online shopping, management in different organizations have taken different steps that even the naivest person also, to a particular extent, they have been exposed to the digital culture, they have been exposed to digital technology due to the changes that are currently happening to our country, to the world, and also to our economies. Point number 3 is promote standard of living. Management helps to provide the right kind of goods and services to people at the right time, at the right prices, in the right terms and or in the desirable terms and conditions that people want the goods and services, and this has enabled to improve the standard of living of people across the country. One example that I would like to give here is that, like for example, the installment system that marketers give while purchasing of appliances in households. For example, in this scorching heat and summer, if a person wants to buy a very good quality air conditioner, maybe the average price is somewhere between 40,000 to 55,000 or 60,000 also. So it becomes sometimes a burden for a person to pay the entire amount at one go and purchase an air conditioner, which may be very essential or necessary for him. So different marketers, different managers in different organizations, they give this installment facility, and very often the interest free installment facility maybe for 1 year, and it becomes a win-win situation for both the organization as well as the customers. Like customers can get it at very easy interest, at very easy installment facilities, maybe paying 2500 to 3000 rupees per month, and managers can also get a good turnover for the organization by providing this kind of installment facilities. So this is just an example. Good management practices, innovative management practices helps in improving the standard of living of the people. And the last point here that I would like to explain is contributing to the natural environment, contributing to environmental protection. Sound managers, responsible management in organizations all over the world today have realized the changes that are taking place all over the world in terms of pollution, in terms of climatic changes, and responsible management demands that management takes all the steps which will help in environmental protection, which will stop environmental degradation in the process of different managerial activities and different business practices. So these points which I have discussed now highlights the reasons why management is considered important for the society. Thank you.